A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is duty beyond function. Ladies and gentlemen, human life unfolds through duty. Some consciously chosen, some accepted by circumstances, some revealed only through time. They appear as roles and routines measured by function and visible outcomes. Yet beneath these forms lives a subtler truth. Duty does not originate from instruction. It arises from alignment. When reduced to function, duty confines. When understood as consciousness in action, duty liberates. Duty is often understood as responsibility, the fulfillment of a role or expectation. Science affirms its importance that structured responsibility strengthens focus, discipline, and reliability. Yet deeper inquiry reveals a crucial dimension. Human beings sustain excellence not through compliance alone, but through coherence, where intention, emotion, and action operate as one. Ancient wisdom recognized duty as a living principle. It was never static obedience, but conscious participation in life's unfolding order. In this state, duty remains responsive without becoming reactive, anchored in clarity, yet adaptable to changing context. Action flows not from pressure but from understanding. True duty harmonizes wisdom, compassion, and courage. Wisdom discerns assents from distraction. Compassion aligns strength with humanity. Courage sustains commitment when certainty fades. Together, they elevate professionalism beyond performance into character, steadiness, and trust. Human potential is inherently multi-dimensional. Scientific understanding increasingly affirms that enduring performance emerges when 5 capacities move in harmony: physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, spiritual grounding, and aspirational energy. Duty beyond function becomes the integrating force, transforming effort into sustainable expression rather than exhaustion. practice deepens experience. With each conscious repetition, perception refines and inner capacity strengthens. Every individual carries latent potential, not dormant by limitation, but awaiting engagement. Life itself becomes the teacher. Through sincere duty, learning matures into wisdom, empathy extends naturally, and contribution finds its rightful measure. Purpose rarely announces itself. It reveals itself through participation, through service, shared effort, and attentive presence. When energy is offered with awareness rather than expectation, growth becomes expansive and inclusive. Individual refinement quietly strengthens the collective fabric. Connection with a larger intelligence, described across traditions as cosmic order, natural law, or divine presence, stabilizes this journey. Both science and ancient insight affirm that inner alignment enhances resilience, ethical clarity, and composed strength. This alignment represents harmony with life itself, enabling steady movement through challenge without inner fragmentation. Such understanding holds particular relevance in a time redefining work, productivity, and boundaries. Systems may reorganize function, only awareness can elevate duty. What's the way forward? Reimagine duty not as obligation but as aligned participation. Let skill be guided by conscience, efficiency tempered by empathy, and ambition clarified by awareness. When practice is sincere and intention is refined, duty transforms responsibility into fulfillment and work into contribution. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when duty transcends function, life reveals its deeper architecture. Potential awakens without strain. Meaning unfolds without pursuit. Action becomes disciplined yet free. In the revered Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna guides warrior Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra to rise with his following enlightening message with profound clarity. Therefore, perform duty steadily without attachment, for through attached action, one attains the highest state. In such established duty, the inner sun remains steady and the outer world is illuminated with quiet continuity. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.